To play any Blooket game, you need a question set, and to create one of your own, all you have to do is log in or sign up for a Blooket account at blooket.com. Once here, click on Create up in the top left-hand corner, or if you're a student, just simply click on Set Creator down in the left-hand column. This will bring you to the set creation page where you can add a title, and I encourage you to be descriptive. Use grade level or subject or topic, or maybe even standard, and you can expand on that in the description below. You can also optionally upload an image via file or URL, or even browse our image gallery to quickly add a photo. Just below that, you'll see the privacy settings. By default, this is set to public so other teachers and students can discover this content. But if you'd like to just reserve this for you and keep it private, just toggle this setting off right here. I'm going to leave it on for now. And finally, the creation method. You can either create your set right here in Blooket, which I'm going to show you in this video, or you can import directly from Quizlet or via a spreadsheet. Now, I'm not going to go over those in this video, but if you check below this video, you'll see some other links and resources down there. So let's jump into Create. We're now here on the Set Edit page where you can easily add questions or edit the information if you want to go change some of those settings. To quickly add a question, just click on this button up here. Now you have a number of options on the screen, but the most foundational is this question text area and the answer options below. Simply enter your text and then you can enter your answers down below. Now, if it's a multiple choice question, 2 are required. And of course you can have up to 4 options for this. And to note that this is the correct answer, just check this box right here. Now, you might have scenarios where you need multiple to be correct, and in that case, you can just check the other correct option as well. Now, you might notice some additional options here. You have the option to add an image to this question by those same upload methods. You can add a math equation, or of course, you can add audio, and this is available for Blooket Plus. A couple other options up here. You can change the time limit, which is the amount of time the students have to answer the question. You can choose to randomize the order of the answers as they are surfaced again and again. And of course, you can change from a multiple choice type of question to a typing answer. Now, with this typed answer, you'll see the options automatically populate since I already entered those earlier, but we don't want this. We want to go ahead and say is exactly 16. Now you might notice we have this drop down right here. Is exactly 16 or contains 16. In this case, we want it to be exact, but we might want to add another option like this. Is exactly 16 spelled out. Once you're happy with this, all you have to do is click Save. Repeat this process to add additional questions, and you can always modify these by rearranging them, deleting them. Now, when you're happy with how this looks, all you have to do is click Save Set. Now, you can always go back and edit this information from this page by clicking on this button right here, but this is where you host. So to host a game, all you have to do is click on Host. To learn more about hosting games and the other methods for set creation, all you have to do is click on the videos you see on your screen or linked below this video. We're looking forward to seeing how you're using Blooket in the classroom, so let us know in the comments or through contact-us@blooket.com.